Hello and welcome to another train station Darkshire video. This video is somewhat different. I've moved some videos around so this video can come out on Saturday, just so that I'm keeping Tito in the loop about the recent incidents with a pair of 158s with Transport for Wales on the Camden line in Wales. I'll be relying on the Rail Accident Investigation Branch's press release, real-time trains, and I think that's it. And Network Wales and Network Rail and Transport for Wales information data list. The Rail Accident Investigation Branch's press release says at around 19:26 on the evening of the 21st of October 2024, the 1831 Transport for Wales service from Shrewsbury to Aberystwyth was running as 1 Juliet 25 from the 158841 collided with another train on Network Rail's Camden line, approximately 3 kilometres from the task loop located at Gangway. The initial evidence suggests that a collision occurred at a speed of approximately 24 kilometers per hour, 15 miles per hour. The second train involved was the 1909 Machynlleth to Shrewsbury service from the 1 Sierra 71 with 158824. Both of the services operated by Transport for Wales. One passenger sadly didn't make it out, and 4 people were seriously injured. 11 more people sustained injuries which required hospital treatment. The RAIB was notified at 1945 on the night of the accident and immediately dispatched a team of inspectors to inspect the site and collect evidence. Additional RAIB staff and specialist equipment have arrived at the site of the accident on the 22nd of October. We continue to work in conjunction with the British Transport Police and Office of Rail and Road and rail companies involved to secure the necessary evidence to support our independent safety investigation. This will include examinations of the train and downloading its black box data recorder, inspecting the track, analysing the data from the railway signal and radio systems, and interviewing witnesses. On the subject of witnesses, some witnesses have reported at least one of the drivers wasn't in the cab at the time of the impact, which has been reported by both the Guardian and the BBC. So they probably got out just before the impact, because otherwise, but that's what we've known. So because they said that they went through the train to warn people of the impact, which that's what we know. That the railway approaching Talerddig from each direction consists of a single line to allow trains to pass each other on a track loop which is divided. These loops have points at each end to allow trains to enter a short length of track which lies alongside the single line. In Talerddig's case, the down loop, which is the line towards Pwllheli and Aberystwyth and Dover Junction, had a line speed of 95 km per hour, and the line towards the up loop towards Shrewsbury and London has a line speed of 50 km per hour. even though the incident happened in the UK, kilometres per hour is what is used on the Camden line, and it's using European train control system. That's what it was used with the 197s, which Transport for Wales are introducing. The 158s use European Rail Traffic Management System, ETRMS. And Network Rail's sectional appendix shows the area as an area known low adhesion. This means that drivers are expected that the area will have low, it will be common to have a low adhesion characteristic in that area. Transport for Wales early on the Monday was running trains slower through Dover Junction. The Dover Junction is where the Aberystwyth and Twelly lines slipped. TFW, the last railhead treatment train ran the night before around 11 o'clock. So there was scheduled to be one a few hours later, but for obvious reasons that was cancelled because the incident was blocking the line. The RAIB's initial investigations found the track on approach to the point of a collision found the evidence of wheel rail adhesion was relatively low, suggesting the train may, this is a strong may, have entered into a wheel side when braking. This will be an area of ongoing investigation for the RAIB. Another area which has been referenced by several people is the signalling, because it's the first in Britain for ETTS. So it's been suggested that RAIB may take extra care at looking at ETTS, as well as it suffered a safety critical data issue back in 2017, which means that they'll probably take an even more diligent look at the signalling system. Not saying it is involved, but that they will take a good look at it in case it was involved. Our investigations are in its very early stages, and additional updates will be made in the coming days once RD has gathered and analysed further evidence. I know a similar in October 2021, we had another incident with the Class 158 involving low railhead adhesion in the Shrewsbury area at Fisherton Tunnel. What it was is there was low railhead adhesion, and a pair of GWR 158 were running into the Fisherton Tunnel. A South Western Railways 159 was approaching a danger signal in the Shrewsbury area and failed to stop due to low railhead conditions. However, the only similarities currently are that 158 were involved, and RAIB found evidence of low railhead adhesion. There's no other links yet between them, but based on how Transport for Wales in their cancellation log for 1 Sierra 71 and 1 Juliet 25, put in the reason for the cancellation as leaves on the line, which is delay code QH, and for the rest of the services, because of the data in delay code Tango Yankee, which is for mishap, which is quite interesting how the data in leaves on the line for those two services when so they might have already been thinking of that's based on what they knew. I'm not going to go into speculation. However, there has been reports that the drivers knew about the low adhesion and contacted the signallers and said that they couldn't stop, according to the BBC and the Guardian. Yeah. I know this is a bit different, but I thought this needed to be made so that then you could, so that then I wasn't leaving the subscribers in the dark about this incident. I thought it was important enough to edit my upload schedule for this. I know some people might not agree, however, I thought it was more important you knew about this than leaving it in the dark. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe to the 22nd Doctor. I know this is in unusual circumstances, but I will leave the sources in the description of the video, so as time goes on, I'll add gradually more and more sources in for references.